guys? See you. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about brakes and more especially master cylinder. So Anchor sent us a 19 millimeters master cylinder. Reference is ANB-1. So ANB-1 Anchor. And they send us this to replace the original master cylinder from the CBR 650. I make a few research. It's a Taiwanese brand, so Taiwanese generally make some good product. I was quite surprised by the quality. It's really strong, really well made. And I asked our friend from Motor Evans to install it, but due to COVID situation in Bangkok, we had to postpone a few rides just to test it. So I went to Hue In, make a small trip way back to Hue In to test the brakes, and I'm really happy. The feeling is really smooth. I really feel a difference. The way that I have to pull the lever, much more smooth, and I get more grip on the front brake. So I would say the price is around 5,000 baht for this model ANB-1, but I think it's worth every penny. A huge improvement compared to the stock master cylinder. So have a look at the brand, have a look below in the description. I will put all the detail. Also, don't forget, if you did it already, subscribe to the channel, make a like, that helps for the algorithm, and we catch you in another video where we're gonna review it more deeply. But I wanted to put this one up just to give you a hint. Anchor master brake cylinder, all good, really good. See you guys.